Google's new AI note-taking app is here, and it is mind-blowing. Here are all the features and how you can access it for free. NotebookLM is your personal virtual assistant for Google Docs. It can summarize facts, explain complex ideas, brainstorm, and much more. Start by uploading your documents. You will need to click on New Source, and then a window will open where you can select your document from Google Drive. Now's the fun part. There are several use cases, one being that it can automatically generate a summary of your document. You can even ask it questions about the document you've uploaded, like key takeaways, a table of contents, or asking it for improvements. It can even help you come up with new ideas. For example, give it some video ideas and ask it to generate a short video script or upload your CV, and ask it what recruiters might ask you during the interview. It can even add answers to your notes, which is handy if you're studying for an exam. It will become your study guide. You can also edit them by adding or deleting other information. To get access, head over to this link and join the waitlist. Are you going to use this new app? Let me know. If you found this useful, access the ultimate list of 2,000 plus AI tools in my free weekly AI newsletter. Don't miss out.